Sorry, I didn't see you there. I was too busy, enjoying this new earphones I just got, and it's the Oraimo Freepods 4. Yo, it's really good, and here's the review. Let's get right into the unboxing. So that's pretty much for the unboxing and the setup. My concluding thoughts, I think these are really good earphones. I've had this for over a year now, and it's really good. Yeah, like it has held up the test of time. It's going to last you. You're going to enjoy it. I was using the FreePods 2, then I upgraded to FreePods 3, and now the FreePods 4. I think I like the innovation, and everything has taken a step forward. The case is one of my favorite things. Like sliding it up is very convenient, like that slide up and slide down, really convenient feature. What else? The active noise cancelling is also good. Transparency mode is good. It's easy. I like the fact that it stays in my ear. It has different um ear tips that you could change. I changed it to the one that fits my ear the best, and it works perfectly. I use it to work out at the gym, go for walks, video calls, like even on calls, like it's really good. The audio quality is also really good. Yeah, I think generally it's a good earphone. It's something I would definitely recommend to get, especially if you're on a budget. Yeah. So for the next video, I'll be doing a review the Oraimo AirPods versus Apple AirPods, and I'm going to stack them against each other and see which one comes out on top. If you're excited about that, leave a like, subscribe, turn on the notifications so you would know when the next video drops. Catch you in the next one.